Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, see what has happened. Because of the strong wind, this backyard door has been broken. Why? This hinge, you see, broken screw, and because of strong wind it has come out. So now I cannot lock it, but I need to fix it. So few options I have. Option number one is I take off these all four screws, okay, and then these two holes can stay intact. I make another two on top and then fix. But in that case, what's gonna happen, I will have some, like, it will be locked like this, because then hinge will come something like this. That I don't want. I still want it to go out of this place. So one option I have is that I put steel plate on top of it and drill the holes. But instead of doing that, also I just want to make it easy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make some minor adjustment, and then I'm gonna do. Okay, so so these were the existing holes. Okay, perfect fit. But what if I move slightly away? Still it's gonna work, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make some marks here and I'm gonna drill. Okay, so I am gonna use a hammer drill to make the marks, and from there I'm gonna take it up. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a pencil or something and I'm gonna mark these areas, and then I'm gonna use a hammer drill. I'm gonna put the things in. So I'm ready with my Red hammer drill, and I've also made the first mark here. I'm just moving it slightly above from the broken part. Second will come just after that. Once I do one, I'll do one more. And this time I'm going to use deeper screws, because I have a bit here that can hold longer screws. So it will go. So I'm going to do the drilling now. And it was not too difficult with a powerful hammer drill like Red. So let me show you. You can see that hole. That's where I'm going to push the screw. So this is the screw and screwdriver. As you can see, there's a screw. I'm going to use a long screw this time. So I'm going to push it through. I have successfully pushed the screw, and you can see with one screw itself it is very strong. But still I'm going to drill here, and I'm going to put another screw just to make it extra reliable. See how easy this French hinge is now. Guys, here comes the screws. You see how strong it is now. Okay, and this door works now. So easy. That's why with minor adjustment I just moved it slightly above, to be honest. And then this time I have made deeper holes and longer screws have been inserted, so that it stays at its place strongly, because winds here are really strong. Anyway guys, let me know if this fix was useful to you. Thank you.